Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show a simple way how we can easily change font in Doodly. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Doodly, and when you're going to be here, you want to be in here in text, and then click here plus, and you want to click browse files, and you want to have prepared like font here, and it's into like TTF or some kind of the font type. And now just click on one, or like let's click on Lato regular, continue, uploading files, and voila, here we have it. So this is how we can do it. Again, you click plus here, browse files, and you choose, let's say, Lato Italic, and this is pretty much it. So thank you very much guys for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.